Hi friends. Okay, so we are going to learn the difference today between concrete nouns and abstract nouns. So a concrete noun is a noun that you can experience or detect with the five senses. That means I could taste it, see it, smell it, hear it, or feel it. Okay? A concrete noun, think I could touch, I can use one of my five senses in order to make it a concrete noun. So if I have taste, things like salt, strawberry, cookies, cake, carrots, any kind of food, that would be a concrete noun, right? Because I can taste it. Seeing nouns, right? That could be like a rainbow, a cloud, a smile, the sun. These are all things I can see, which makes it concrete. Things I could hear, that could be like the alarm clock, a beep, a honk, a thunder. Those are all concrete nouns because I can experience them as I hear them. Smelling, right? That can be things like flowers, campfire smoke, cookies in the oven, perfume, okay? These are all concrete because I can smell them. The last one, we have things that we can touch. So these are your normal nouns, right? Anything I can touch, it becomes a noun. Pencil, car, book, sand, table. These are all things I can touch, right? All right, abstract nouns. Remember we talked about abstract nouns yesterday. An abstract noun is something you cannot detect with the five senses, right? It's a thing, but I can't see it, touch it, or feel it, okay? So examples of these would be things like feelings, love, anger, frustration, sadness, happiness. These are all feelings. Abstract nouns also include ideas. So memories, dreams, your imagination is an abstract noun. Next one could be qualities, right? Things like hope, bravery, determination, loyalty, curiosity, integrity are lifelines. That would be qualities, right? These are abstract nouns because I can't touch hope. I can't touch my imagination. I can't touch love, right? So these are all become abstract nouns. So remember, concrete nouns I can touch, right? I can use my five senses. Abstract nouns I can't use my five senses. Things like feelings, ideas, and qualities. All right, good job, guys.